welcome back to Sasa Stitch. Today we will crafting something truly delightful, a beautiful butterfly and wisteria flower that can be transformed into a charming keychain or a lovely hair clip. If your eye catching with this lovely item, please gather your hook yarn with 3 color: yellow, light green, dark green, scissors and needle. Let us create something magical together. We start to make a wisteria flower. We make a slip knot. Then make 2 chain. 1, 2. Then we make a little bit high, yarn over and pull up a loop 3 times. 1, 2, 3 times. Then yarn over and make 1 time. Here 1 chain, 1 chain again, then pull over a loop 3 times in the first stitch here. 1, 2 and 3. Then we make 1 time over here. Then we connection with the first stitch here to make a booth of flower. We done. Then we make 8 chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Slip 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, skip 4, and we make 2 double crochet in 1 stitch. 1, 2. Then make 3 chain. 1, 2, 3, and make 1 slip stitch in the same stitch. 1. So we finish 1 petal. Continue to make again 4 petal again. 1, 2, 3 chain, 2 double crochet, 1, 2, 3 chain, 1 slip stitch. We have another petal. Make 1, 2, 3 chain, 2 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 1 slip. The last 1, 2, 3, 2 double crochet, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and 1 slip. Yes, we done 4 petals of the wisteria flower, but we need 1 more step. Now we will make 4 single crochet in this and this and this and this one. I will make it very slowly, huh? We put the hook down to the first hole here. Then we make 1 single crochet, 1, again the second single crochet here, 2, 3 single crochet, and in the last one here, 4. Then we connect here 1 slip stitch from the beginning. Yes, and now we finish 1 layer of the flower. We repeat with the same and we make 5 layers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we will make another layer. Okay, I will see you when both of us finish 5 layers of flower. After we finish 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 layers of bento, then now we make 20 chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then we make here 1 slip stitch and cut the yarn. We hide the yarn. And we hide the yarn in this also. Then we finish 1. We will make the same with the yellow and the light green. And now I already finished with the yellow and light green. Now we will move to make the butterfly. In this butterfly, I will start with the yellow one. We will make a magic circle. Three chain, 1, 2, 3, and 2 double crochet. 2 chain, 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, and repeat 2 chain, 3 double crochet, 2, 3, and repeat one more 6 times. Then when we finish, we will have 8 double crochet in the end of the row. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now we close the magic circle and make from the first stitch 1 slip stitch and cut the yarn. And now we continue with the light green. Connection from here. Make 3 chain. 1, 2, 3 chain. Then we will make 2 double crochet in the same stitch here. 1, 2 double crochet. Make 2 chain. 1, 2 and 3 double crochet in the same stitch. 1, 2, 3. And then in this we make 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 2 chain and another 3 double crochet in the same stitch. 1, 2 and 3. Then we repeat till the end of the row. After we finish 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, then we make 1 slip stitch here and cut the yarn. And now this is the last layer. We will start with another light green. We will connection from here. Make 3 chain. 1, 2, 3. And now in one same stitch we make 5 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we make 3 chain. 1, 2, 3 and 1 slip stitch from here to make a puff. And now in the same stitch here we make 6 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Then 2 chain and we make from here 1 single crochet, 2 chain and continue the same with the first one till the end of the row. And finally we finish. Then we make 1 slip stitch here and fasten off, cut the yarn. And now we have a cute butterfly. Now we will make the yellow yarn, 60 chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 58, 59, 60, and fasten off, cut the yarn. And now we will move to the complete step. Here we connection the wisteria flower into the butterfly. We will make the hole from here and here to connection everything together. One here and one here. And we make the knot. This color is so cute. And we're done. Here we are. Then you have it, your own butterfly and wisteria flower. I hope you enjoy this creative journey as much as I did. If you love this tutorial, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Sasa Stitch for more crochet project. Thank you so much for joining me today to crochet together. I cannot wait to see you create. And until next time, happy crochet!